In terms of how brand decisions are made, all decisions are made on a mix of emotion and rational need. What we like to say is the impulse to act is emotional. It's something that you can barely control. It comes from almost your biochemistry. And the veto is very rational. So if I can give you an example with the iPad 2. I can't believe the number of people that were considering the iPad 2. I mean, it was an emotional response that said, I gotta have this latest toy. But then the irrational veto kicks in and says, I've already got one, or I've got a PC, or I've got a laptop. Do I really need this iPad 2? So when you think of any decision you're going to make in your life, buying a car, buying a coffee, buying a suit, it's this wonderful alchemy of emotion and rationality. And the trick is understanding what mix is. What emotions do you really want to drive upon, and what rational attributes do you want to drive upon?